Aloha to Capriolia! This is our Puberty Island. A great place to start because it opens safe, playful conversations. In this video we will share simple tips to help you make Capriolia both fun and informative. Puberty can be intense and confusing. That's why Capriolia is so important. Your role is to help young people feel safe, understood and supported, with a bit of empathy, sensitivity and humor. Pause for a moment and think. What did you want to know during your own puberty? What worried you? Or what would have helped you? This helps you guide your group with more compassion. When you start with the first question of Capriolia, you don't have to follow the card order. It can help to choose an easy broad question of the booklet like, at what age does puberty usually begin? After the group shares, always read the conclusion from the back of the card. It brings everyone to the same key point. You don't need to share your own puberty stories. Your role is to guide the game and create a safe, respectful space, not to be their peer. If a question feels too personal, it's absolutely okay to say, "That's a good question, but that's something I'd prefer to keep private." Just like you're allowed to keep some things private too. This shows young people that privacy is completely normal and helps build a space where everyone feels safe and respected. If your group seems unsure or uncomfortable with the term like vagina, it's often safer not to put anyone on the spot by asking, "Do you know what a vagina is?" Questions like this can feel embarrassing and may make it harder for young people to participate openly. A great way to support your group is to simply take the lead. And this is exactly where the Toolkit comes in. The Toolkit helps you clearly explain terms using simple hands-on models or visual aids without putting pressure on the group. Let me show you an example. The body model in the Toolkit makes it easy to demonstrate that the vagina is the inner part of the female anatomy. It's a tube that leads into the body. Showing this with the model helps young people see and understand the term in a visualized way. You don't have the Toolkit? No problem. You can simply sketch the term on a paper. It doesn't have to be perfect. A quick drawing with pen and paper is often more helpful than a polished illustration from a textbook. Otherwise, you can simply use your hand as a model. For example, forming a tube with your fingers is a great way to show that the vaginal opening leads into the body, and that the vagina isn't a hard tube, but a soft and flexible one. Whether you use the Toolkit or simple everyday tools, what matters is that you make the topic accessible and easy to understand without pressure or embarrassment. Enjoy exploring Capriolia with your group, and see you in the next video.